Are you searching for a Lenovo tablet that gives solid performance without breaking the bank? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick look at the top Lenovo tablets available today. Today, I'm going to be going over the best Lenovo tablet that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the NZXT H5 Flow 2024. NZXT H5 Flow 2024 immediately communicates purpose through a compact footprint and a refined aesthetic that resonates with performance-oriented buyers. Its target audience includes PC enthusiasts, content creators, and budding gamers who value balanced airflow, accessible installation, and unobtrusive interior lighting. The enclosure invites curiosity with clean lines, matte surfaces, and thoughtful cable routing that minimizes visual clutter when the side panel is removed. Build quality feels premium through sturdy steel construction and minimal flex, suggesting durability under frequent assembly and transport. The design emphasizes modularity with tool-free panels and removable dust filters that simplify maintenance and long-term upgrades. With dimensions tailored for mid-size builds, the chassis offers ample clearance for long GPUs and efficient cable management behind the motherboard tray. It supports ATX-capable motherboards, multiple drive bays, and includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans for immediate performance reach. The I/O panel features USB Type-C Gen 2, 2 USB-A ports, and a fan controller to dial in cooling precisely. Cable routing channels behind the motherboard tray offer integrated tie-downs and roomy gaps for dense sleeved cables during assembly. In real-world tests, the case maintains modest temperatures with a balanced fan curve, ensuring components stay within safe thermal envelopes. Noise levels remain faint under typical gaming loads, and the included fans suppress high-pitched whines through careful blade geometry. During sustained workloads, the NZXT H5 Flow 2024 demonstrates reliable acoustics and stable airflow across GPU and CPU regions. Compared to the fractal design Meshify 2, the NZXT H5 Flow 2024 prioritizes interior simplicity and better dust filtration, sacrificing some capacity. The pros include excellent airflow with quiet operation, easy installation with tool-free panels, and great dust filtration across every intake. The cons include higher price relative to competitors and increased weight that reduces portability without sacrificing build integrity or component compatibility. At number 4, we have the Corsair 4000D RS. From the moment you lift it, the case exudes a restrained elegance aimed at builders prioritizing clean aesthetics and practical airflow. Its compact mid-tower footprint promises compatibility with most desk setups, while still accommodating full-length GPUs and versatile cooling options. The intended audience appears to be PC enthusiasts who crave straightforward assembly, efficient cable routing, and a balanced, noise-conscious operation. Build quality feels sturdy with a rigid steel frame and precisely aligned panels that resist flex under typical installation pressure. The dimensions strike a harmonious balance between interior GPU clearance and a compact exterior, ensuring compatibility with most dorm room desks. Dust management is emphasized with easily removable filters on the front and bottom, simplifying routine maintenance without disassembling the entire chassis. Inside, the layout prioritizes clean cable routing with a channel system and ample tie points, reducing clutter during complex builds. Thermal versatility is highlighted by radiator support up to 360mm in the front, empowering enthusiasts to deploy robust air or liquid cooling. The front panel design balances aesthetics with airflow, trading some aggressive mesh for a refined look that still breathes well. Installations are noticeably tool-free for drive bays and PCI slots, speeding up builds and reducing frustration for beginners. A thoughtful cable management system includes a dedicated channel, Velcro ties, and a removable PSU shroud for clean, professional-looking results. During testing, we observed steady, predictable thermals with a balanced fan curve, confirming Corsair's emphasis on practical performance over spectacle. Compared to the NZXT H510, the Corsair 4000 RS delivers better internal cable management and cooler temperatures under load. The pros include strong build quality, excellent cable management, and tool-free drive installations. The cons include higher price and limited front I/O accessibility. At number 3, we have the DARKROCK EC2. From the moment you pick it up, the DARKROCK EC2 communicates purpose with a restrained premium aesthetic that resonates with Lenovo fans. Weighing about 4 pounds, the device maintains a balanced heft that blends portability with a sturdy, premium construction. Its target audience includes students and professionals who crave a compact, capable tablet that can handle note-taking, streaming, and light editing. The DARKROCK EC2 uses a premium metal chassis with precise machining, delivering a sturdy feel while keeping weight manageable for daily carry. In terms of dimensions, it remains slim and compact, with a slim profile that comfortably fits bags and backpacks without bulk. The construction prioritizes thermal management and durability, featuring reinforced corners and a heat dissipation system that stays pleasantly quiet. Display clarity and color reproduction are standout, with an IPS panel offering vibrant tones, wide viewing angles, and respectable brightness in daylight. Performance hinges on a capable mid-range processor and ample RAM, supporting smooth multitasking, snappy app launches, and efficient background task handling. Storage options scale well for casual content creation with fast storage, codec acceleration, and robust connectivity, including USB-C and wireless display. Battery life in real-world testing approaches 30 hours of mixed usage, with adaptive brightness and efficient idle states extending standby duration. Thermals remain comfortable during typical workloads, with fanless modes at idle and a gentle breeze under sustained workloads to maintain pace. Camera and microphone performance are serviceable for video calls, offering dependable input quality while preserving privacy with thoughtful shutter and software controls. Compared to the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, the DARKROCK EC2 delivers brighter colors, faster refresh, and longer real-world battery life. The pros include long-lasting battery life that easily covers a full day of usage, sharp color-accurate display, and solid premium build. The cons include occasional heat throttling during extended gaming sessions and moderate weight for prolonged one-handed use. At number 2, we have the MUSETEX K2. From first glance, the MUSETEX K2 exudes a balanced blend of portability and premium feel, appealing to students, professionals, and media enthusiasts. That 10.5-inch display feels friendly for note-taking, streaming, and browsing, delivering comfortable readability without encroaching on pocketability. The chassis pairs a sturdy magnesium alloy frame with a refined matte finish, yielding a premium silhouette and durable daily use. Weighing under 1 pounds with a compact footprint, the K2 feels balanced in hand for long sessions and easy one-handed use. Under the hood, 8GB RAM handles heavy apps and smooth multitasking, keeping productivity flowing without noticeable slowdowns during demanding workloads. Base configurations start at 128GB of storage with microSD expansion for additional space, ideal for media caches and project files. The display is bright and color accurate, enabling clear text and vibrant images even under bright ambient light and fluctuating angles. The base configuration includes 128GB of storage, a solid foundation for apps, documents, and media without causing immediate constraints. In practical tests, multitasking between browsers, video apps, and productivity tools remains snappy, with occasional brief pauses when many tasks launch simultaneously. In direct comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, the MUSETEX K2 offers smoother multitasking and cooler thermals under sustained load. The pros include excellent portability, long battery life, and a vivid display that enhances media and productivity experiences. The cons include a higher price relative to peers and middling external speaker performance that can disappoint users seeking cinematic sound. Battery life in mixed usage stays strong, often lasting a full day with light tasks and a reasonable screen brightness. Real-world testing confirms stable performance during web, video, and productivity workloads over Wi-Fi 6, with smooth transitions and minimal app reloads. For its price and feature set, the MUSETEX K2 represents a compelling option for students and creative seeking versatility. At number 1, we have the NZXT H3 Flow. From the moment you lift it, the sturdy steel frame and tempered glass finish convey premium build quality despite its accessible price. Its interior architecture embraces standard ATX compatibility, ensuring easy motherboard installation and broad component compatibility for a wide range of budgets. The case borrows design cues from higher-end models with tight cable routes, integrated cable management grommets, and a clean, minimalistic aesthetic. Its dimensions strike a careful balance between interior space and desktop footprint, allowing versatile builds without dominating small workspaces. The chassis emphasizes airflow-friendly design with a front mesh panel, ample clearance for fans and radiators, and adjustable storage options. It ships with 3 configurable 120mm fans and supports radiators across multiple orientations, expanding cooling flexibility for various builds. Behind the front panel lies a generously sized removable dust filter and an accessible drive mounting bay that simplifies upgrades. The connectivity options on top include USB-C and multiple USB-A ports, complemented by a practical headset jack for quick peripherals. During build testing with mid-range components, airflow performance remained impressively stable, delivering lower component temperatures than expected for its class. In practice, the H3 Flow maintains quiet operation at moderate loads, with throttling only noticeable under sustained heavy workloads. The case supports radiators up to 360 mm, expanding cooling potential for high-end builds without forcing drastic layout changes. In direct comparison to the NZXT H7 Flow, the H3 Flow offers comparable airflow in a more compact chassis. From a practical perspective, the pros include excellent airflow, intuitive cable management, and strong overall value for the price. The cons include limited GPU clearance under certain configurations and a premium price relative to some competing cases.